As we said, it's a good day to pay attention to the weather. We've got strong storms in some places, and we've got extraordinary heat in a lot of others.
Yeah, and this is a day that we say open the heavens, because that's the only way you're cooling off at this point, right? To get out of the triple digits where we were, which potentially, even without the humidity, well, unofficial numbers in Algonquin of 100, still, regardless, I saw plenty of mid and upper 90s. Relief from the heat on the way, the cold front coming from north to south, severe thunderstorms through the evening time, damaging wind, hail, and tropical downpours. The atmosphere is just so prime. Think about it kind of like we've had this big pot of boiling water going on the stove for a few days, and the lid's been teetering, and all of a sudden today, the cold front, the trigger, that lid just blows off. All that energy has been pent up. So Portsmouth 97, hasn't rained there, but in Portland it has at 75. Arundel 91. And then here we go, heading up down east, Eastport 93. I think John it was that sent then to me a 94 outside of the airport. Look at the islands, mid 80s with a 59-degree ocean temperature. It's really remarkable to see. Heat index numbers all over the board because of obviously where it's rained or it's not rained. 74 in Bangor where it has rained. And here are those thunderstorms, which behind the scenes, I took a look at the instability, and yes, this is going to make it all the way to the coast, this line that's approaching Bar Harbor. Okay, so right now the warning comes pretty much down to the ocean. You see that here. So I'll move out of the way so you can see it. Eastbrook, Ellsworth, Hancock, Trenton, 448, 502, 509 here, as this line here is going to track south and east. So we are far from done from that. And as far as these cells here, this has been trimmed back here towards Cumberland until 5 o'clock. Basically a Cape Elizabeth situation, a South Portland situation for this cell I want to fly into just a bit. This area has been raked over, a lot of rain. The Eastern Prom got it if you were out and about, Congress Street, all over the place. Now they've got stuff going on at the lake, which this doesn't look to be quite as damaging, but definitely still a lot of lightning, and those cells are pushing to the east and kind of building a little bit, back building, training. So watch out for some potential flooding there. We've got storm reports around the Bangor area, 11 of those, 7 of them from thunderstorm wind damage. And then back down in southern Maine, 7 here thunderstorm wind damage too. So really the theme here, the threat has been all day about the wind coming out of these cells to really take those limbs down. And into 6 o'clock, if you follow along the timestamp, we still got clusters of thunderstorms passing through. So it's not over until about 9, 10 o'clock. But even then here, down east, getting another round. So down east, it's going to be a stormy evening time. But I think by midnight on, you clear out. It'll still be a bit muggy in southern Maine and much more comfortable on Friday with some sun coming out. Wind northeast 5 to 10. Look at that, seas 2 to 3 feet, and the ocean temperature has come up to 60. 83, 71, 69, then back up to 80. So we'll go back to about what you typically expect, and then we're even below that with a 69, obviously, rainy day on Sunday. And then we're back into the summer pattern again next week with the 80s. But there will be more rain this weekend. This is not a weekend that's going to be dry. We're going to have a cold front that's going to be hanging around, and that means more thunderstorms are coming.
All right. Thanks, Jason.
Sir.